C'est si bon de partir n'importe où, bras dessus, bras dessous, en chantant des chansons. C'est si bon de se dire des mots doux, des petits rien du tout, mais qui en disent long.
Hi Toby, hi Elegate viewers, and look at this view. What is behind us?
We have the Dordogne River at Roque-Gageac, one of the most beautiful villages in France, if not the world.
Yes,
it's amazing.
That's an amazing village. We are on a cliff. It's a vertical cliff above us, and we are facing the beautiful Dordogne River with the boats passing by and the canoes, because it's really famous for that.
The Roque-Gageac has historically been inhabited for 15,000 plus years. So there's a reason why people inhabit it in the first place, and a reason why they're still living here now, and that's it really. The second cleanest river in Europe. So behind us, and they built homes into the cliffs for security, safety. The Vikings came up here in the 6th century and marauded, and people who had safe havens were able to hide and obviously protect themselves. That's
because we are above the river. You can see it clearly. There's a path behind us, quite 10 meters below, where the tourists comes because there's lots of restaurants. It's a really touristic place. Parking's everywhere. Speaking about that, this property we'll see in a minute has got its own parking place.
Correct. And there's a garage underneath for, not big enough for a car, but you don't, without modification, but certainly for a scooter or a quad
motorcycle
bike or bicycles,
something like that.
Everything. So
we are on the terrace. Just behind you there is a jacuzzi, quite large. It's currently closed, so we won't see inside, but it's a nice size jacuzzi.
Yeah, luxurious.
And the terrace, nice sofa, and overlooking the river. I mean, having an apéro with your friends or even lunch, overlooking the whole river, 180 degrees panorama. It's incredible.
Cyril, one of the most stunning views here is when the Montgolfiers descend with their balloons. They come down, they descend onto the river, just here in front of the Tom's Pizza, and lower the basket onto the water. So what we have is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property on 3 levels. It's built into the cliff itself, which is the original way to build a property here, you know, hundreds or thousands of years ago. The reason for that is because it stays cool in summer. You don't really need to air condition the property. We've been inside already.
I've noticed it's really cool because it's 32 degrees Celsius outside right now, which is quite
around
hot.
about 18 degrees inside, very pleasant. So, you know, from the point of view, so in winter as well, because it's south facing, you're out on the terrace, you can profit from all the sun that we get here over the winter when it's here. So
let's have a look to the lounges, the bedrooms, the 3 levels, and we get back here for the conclusion of this video.
Je vous parle d'un temps que les moins de 20 ans ne peuvent pas connaître. On marque en ces temps-là, accrochait ces lilas jusque sous nos fenêtres. Si l'humble garni qui nous servait de nid ne payait pas de mine, c'est là qu'on s'est connus, moi qui criais famille et toi qui posais nu. La bohème, ça voulait dire on est heureux. La bohème, nous ne mangions qu'un jour sur 2. Jusque sous nos fenêtres, si l'humble garni qui nous servait de nid ne payait pas de mine, c'est là qu'on s'est connus, moi qui criais famine et toi qui posais nu. La bohème, ça voulait dire on est heureux. La bohème, nous ne mangions qu'un jour sur 2.
chambre a la forme d'une cage. Le soleil passe son bras par la fenêtre. Les chasseurs à ma porte, comme les petits soldats qui veulent me prendre. Je ne veux pas travailler, non. Je ne veux pas déjeuner. Oh, je veux seulement l'oublier. Et puis, je fume. Déjà, j'ai connu le parfum de l'amour. 1 million de roses n'embaumeraient pas autant. Maintenant, une seule fleur dans mes entourages me rend malade.
You've seen how incredible it is to see all those rocks within the rooms. It gives a really warm atmosphere and quite out of time. You feel like you are hundreds of years ago. So what do people need to do if they want to contact you, if they want to visit this house?
Look, at the bottom of this video, if they scroll down, you'll see the link. Click on the link and simply all you do is just click on that link. It'll open up a form, fill out a bit of information, nothing too personal. Just enough for us to be able to contact you and any questions you might have, happy to answer them and certainly very happy to show through the property. Until
the next incredible property, I think it's time to leave you. Bye bye guys, see you soon.
See you soon.